Hey guys, welcome back to Trend Echo. If you're a Call of Duty fan, I've got some epic news for you. This is something you've been waiting for. The Call of Duty. Black Ops 6 Early Access Beta is dropping soon, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. This is your chance to get a sneak peek at what's coming, so let's dive right into the juicy details. There's a lot to cover, and you'll want to be prepared. The first weekend of the beta kicks off today, August 30th at 10 a.m. PT, 1 p.m. ET, and it runs until September 4th. Mark your calendars and set your alarms. That gives you plenty of time to dive in and start causing some digital mayhem. Whether you're a lone wolf or part of a squad, there's something for everyone, but there's a catch. You need to have pre-ordered the game on PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, or be a Game Pass subscriber. No pre-order, no party, so make sure you've got that sorted out. To get started, make sure you've got Call of Duty HQ installed. This is your hub for all things Call of Duty. If you already have it, the beta download size will be a bit smaller for you. This means you can jump into the action quicker. If not, prepare for a larger download. It might take a while, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Check out the official Call of Duty article for all the nitty-gritty details on download sizes. Now, let's talk content. There's a lot to unpack here. The Black Ops 6 beta is packed with operators, weapons, equipment, score streaks, and more. You'll have plenty of options to customize your gameplay. You can grind your way up to level 20 during the first weekend. This is your chance to get a head start and unlock some cool stuff. 6 maps will be available right off the bat, with 2 more coming in weekend 2, along with new game modes. Each map offers a unique experience, so try them all. And speaking of game modes, let's talk about Kill Order. This is one of the new modes that's sure to get your adrenaline pumping. It's a fresh twist where each team has a high-value target to eliminate, making for some intense strategic gameplay. You'll need to work together to succeed. Get ready to put your tactical skills to the test. This mode is all about strategy and teamwork. As we roll into weekend 2, which runs from September 6th to 9th, there's even more to look forward to. The action doesn't stop. 2 additional maps, the gunfight mode, and even more content to keep you hooked. Gunfight mode is a fan favorite, and it's back with a bang. Plus, the level cap will be bumped up to 30. This means more rewards and more bragging rights. Players who participate in both weekends can earn special rewards. These are exclusive to the beta, so don't miss out. Think of it as a badge of honor to show off how dedicated you are to the Call of Duty grind. These rewards are a testament to your skills and dedication. For a detailed look at these rewards, head over to the official Call of Duty site. You'll find all the information you need there. So, gear up, squad up, and get ready to jump into one of the most anticipated betas of the year. This is your chance to be part of something big. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newbie looking to make your mark, the Black Ops 6 Early Access Beta has something for everyone. There's no better time to join the action. Remember, the battlefield waits for no one. Time is of the essence, so don't hesitate. So grab your controllers, get those headshots, and I'll see you on the front lines. The competition is fierce, but I know you're up for the challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Peace out, gamers. Stay tuned for more exciting content.